एवं
अरे
रेकॉर्ड कर दिया था।
रेकर्डिंग ऑन करदेली।
ओके पिला माने देखा जाउची गुड इवनिंग समस्त को। 9टा बाजलानी जति समय दे आसिलो तम पई बेसी किछि माने टेंशन नवार नाही हला। बहुत कम टाइम रे हम बतै दबो जो मन जानि छो मु प्रशांत सर हला। आ एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन तो निहाती जरूरी। एमटेक अछि मोर वीएलएसए डिजाइन एम्बेडेड सिस्टम एनआईटी राउरकेला। आ श्रीनिवास सर आईआईटी बॉम्बे ठीक अछि ओके। हम दी जनकर बैकग्राउंड प्योरली कोन इंजीनियरिंग ठीक अछि कि नै ओके। तो आमर एक्सपर्टीज हला या कि पाका पाके मु 20-30 टा इंटरव्यू जाईची सार भी बहुत इंटरव्यू देइचंती तापर हमें एबे काम करछु दी जण एज ए मैनेजर अच्छु एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ सिविल एविएशन ठीक अछि क्लियर हे गेला। हम कोड कोन अच्छु एबे बेसी इंट्रोडक्शन देई हबनी हला ठीक अछि कि नै। तो हमर बैकग्राउंड या हला कि एटलीस्ट हमें गोटे भल भल कॉलेज रू पढ़ी पाठी के आसीछु सो दैट वी कैन गाइड यू केमती कोन पढ़िले कोन कले त माने एटलीस्ट गोटे जॉब पाइ जिवो हला कि। तो हमरो सेशन रो मेन पॉइंट थिला कि तुमे काहे के कैंपस रे जॉब टा पाइबो हला कि एटा हो हमर कथा ठीक अछि कि नै। 10+2 रे बहुत पिला ड्रीम देखथिबे हमें नीट बजे देउ आईआईटी बजे देउ से ड्रीम भगवा लेके खत्म हो जाए तापर पुणी प्राइवेट कॉलेज पर तुम बैंगलोर लाइफ आरंभ हम बहुत गुड़ा जिन अच्छी तुम जान से गुड़ा कहवाई मुझे ठीक अच्छे कि ना ओके बुझेगा ना ना पिला माने ओके बेसी समय ना मु 5 मिनट भीतर सारदेवी। तो कथा हूँ कौन तुम एबे प्राय तो मुझे जहाँ जानी तुम मान प्रोफाइल समस्त प्राय बीसीए और बीटेक फर्स्ट ईयर हाँ कि ना दे आर वेरी गुड माने ही ये सेशन टा ठीक अच्छे कि ना ओके ठीक अच्छे हेलो पिला माने हाँ हाँ मार रे गप गोटे कहबी
यस सर यस सर
गप कहे मुझे प्रीवियस पिला पढ़ाई से गप भी कहे है कि ना तेणुक क्लास को बोरिंग करवाटा मजा नुह है कि ना ठीक अच्छे ओके। तो कहूली या कि तुम गोटे छोटे गपटे अच्छे स्टार्ट करदे से तुम जानीज तुम लाइफ रे कौन करार अच्छे कौन करार ना ठीक अच्छे ना श्रीनिवास सर टी आम छोट गपर स्क्रीन शेयर करेंगे कि
गोटे मिनिट कर
ठीक अच्छे तुम एबे जो पढ़ ठीक अच्छे कि ना एबे जो पढ़ो बीसीए पढ़ो 3 वर्ष कि बीटेक पढ़ो 4 वर्ष ठीक अच्छे कि ना है बहुत पिला लाइफ रे यही सेम जिन हम कि चलो बीटेक पढ़ा कि बीएससी पढ़ा मजा मस्ती टाइम बीतेदवा ठीक अच्छे कि ना ओके किंतु तुम जाना दरकार ये कर कौन अच्छे ना तापर लाइफ केते माने टेंशन वाला तुम जान आम जान ठीक अच्छे कि ना से सब जिन सार तुमको बतेबे धीरे धीरे कंपटीशन कौन ठीक अच्छे कि ना मार्केट रे केते जण गोटे परीक्षा दौरान एग्जाम तुम प्रोबेबिलिटी केते से जॉब पाइबा आ कैंपस रे काहे की जल्दी पाई जीवो सेटा हमें बतेबो हला कि ना ठीक अच्छे कि ना देखा गला कि पिला माने स्क्रीन रे कोन गोटे देखा जाउछ हेलो मंटू
Yes, sir.
हेलो मंटू
यस सर
ओके मंटू is speaking saying that we should talk in Hindi and English okay if all are comfortable in Hindi and English we can start no problem so starting with the picture
yes sir
anybody can
there are students from other states.
okay no problem we will continue in English or Hindi okay no problem everybody can understand that
Yes sir.
so there is a picture can you see this anybody want to please anybody see this picture can tell 2-3 lines about this picture hello look at
Yes
the two
sir.
pictures okay this is your life okay this is your life okay the first the picture in the left you can see the grasshopper and the ant story everybody knows this okay this is your story just to summarize that picture I can say that these 3 years if you yeah I cannot see that picture can you zoom it Srinivas sir hello you have to choose a character okay
okay
you have to be the ant or you have to be the grasshopper maximum of the students choose the grasshopper character okay they go for music everything friendship lots of things okay the 10% of you will get a job who will choose the character that is ant okay can you got my point hello
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Montu, I just got one name that is Montu. I'll be just telling Montu the story. Okay, everybody, you resemble yourself as two characters. That is your 3 years of BCA or 4 years of MCA is these two characters. Okay, if you choose to be the grasshopper, you will enjoy that 4 years and you will survive the rest of the 40 years. Okay, My suggestion will be the aunt. At least do something in these 3 years so that your future will be bright. You can see the right side. Okay. Can you see the right side picture? Can you see everybody right side picture?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Look at the right one. The grasshopper is begging for something food to the ant after the BC or BTech. This will be the situation. This is the situation of most of our friends. The left side picture will give you the idea of 3 years or 4 years. You enjoy everything. That is fine. It will be beautiful. After that, if you have no job, means you are gone. You are gone means now a minimum of 5 to 6 lakh students are appearing for exam. Okay, the probability is 0.00000005. So you can imagine. So we are here for a session to motivate you how to get a job in campus, because in campus at least you have 60 to 100 people to compete. Okay, this is the best place to get a job. If once you are out of the campus, means you are into Bangalore or in Bhubaneswar market, the getting a job is very less. Very less means you are losing your vital time. After pass out, you will lose your time. Okay, your money, lots of stress, funding from your parents. This will give you beautiful stress in your life. And yes, you will come to know about all these things in the next presentation by Srinivas. So Srinivas sir, up to you. Hope
Thank
you
you,
will
sir.
get some idea how to crack the job. Okay, and we will tell you how we will help you. Okay, this is our experience. Okay, so I have more than 10 years of experience in teaching mathematics and aptitude. Same with Srinivas sir. Okay, so what is the steps? How to get a job? What is the fast come fast? Okay, you cannot say that I want a dish, but it will be ready made. No, it will not be served to you ready made. Okay, you have to prepare the dish. These 4 years you have to prepare slowly so that you will get a job. Okay, this is the procedure. Nobody will say that I'll go to YouTube and say, see a lecture and I'll get a job. Sorry guys, you cannot. There are 1% tougher student, they can do, but for average student they have to be the aunt. Okay, every day you have to fight for 1 hours so that when campus comes you can easily crack the campus interview. In campus interview, they will ask you simple questions. That is the easiest step, I am saying. After that, 1 year experience, 2 year experience, they will ask you what is the project, what is what. You will be just grinded in the interview. Okay, over to Srinivas sir. Thank you very much. If you have any question, you can ask us. After Srinivas sir will finish, we will take your questions. Okay, Mantu? Hello. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here we are. Two beautiful pictures. You can see. Okay, Srinivas sir, up to you now.
Okay, good evening, all of you. So you guys are comfortable in Hindi and English, right? Hindi or English, both, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so see, the basic idea behind our starting this project is that that you guys are see what we guys suffered, like not we, like many of the people who have suffered I have seen in my life. So what they do is there are two types of people in this world. Okay, like those are born with talent. Okay, like they have really good talent. Okay, so those guys don't need much effort. Like they can do the stuff in like 6 months to 1 year. Okay, 6 months to 1 year they can complete the stuff. Okay, they can crack it. Like you give them any exam, you give them any stuff to crack, they will crack it. Okay, but the thing is, we know that God is not fair with everyone, so the talent part is not same with everyone. Okay, so I'm not saying that others can do it, so they also can do it, but by doing what? Little bit of smart work plus start early. What I'm saying, start early. So when you start early, what will happen that you will have a advantage over the other people. समझ में आ रहा है ना सबको? लाइक ठीक है, तुम अगर पहले थोड़ा स्टार्ट करोगे ना, तो क्या होगा ना, जैसे लाइक अब तुमको बोल्ट को बीट करना है, ठीक है, लाइक यू हैव टू बीट बोल्ट, तो तुमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? अगर इफ बोल्ट इज रनिंग एट दिस लाइक एट द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, उसको 100 मीटर में वो लाइक ही इज कंप्लीटिंग इन 10 seconds. ओके, बट you can't complete in 10 seconds, but if you can start from if you can start 5 seconds early, but you can finish it in 15 seconds. Getting the point? So the ultimate aim is to reach the final line. You're getting the point? All of you getting the point? What I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So our purpose of starting this, like you are just now like got admitted into college. Okay, you are in the first year right now. So you have 4 years left before entering into the market. Okay, like before entering into the competitive field. Okay, so you have 4 years. So if you have if you can start early, so these 4 years you can learn everything that is required for the market. See, if you'll ask your seniors, like those who know, those who are passed out, those who are working already in the job field, you can ask them that the things that are going to learn in your college life, that is not going to help you much. I'm telling you honestly. Okay, the market that requires the skills is not being taught in the college. Okay, so you have to put extra efforts to learn those skills. Yes or no? You agree with me, or I'm saying anything wrong?
No, sir, you are right.
Okay, so the point is that you have to put some extra effort. I know this college life, you will think that, array, you got only one life, to enjoy it. Okay, you have to enjoy. See, I'm not saying life won't be enjoyable, but the thing is, see, life is always hard. Okay, so you have to choose which hard step you have to carry out. Okay, you know, if you do a job, that is also tough. If you don't do a job, that is also tough. Okay, if you earn money, earning money is tough. Not earning money is also tough. Why? If you don't earn money, you will lead a life which is tough. Okay, but earning money also is tough. Okay, you're getting the point. Life will be always hard, but you have to choose which, how much hard you want in your life. Okay, how much suffering you want in your life. That is the ultimate aim of life. Okay, so it's not like that the job will be easy. No, job will be tough. There also you have to work hard, but you have to choose. Okay, so that is our ultimate aim. Okay, so I don't know how many of you will enroll in the course, but our aim is to start slowly, so that by the end of, when you reach your third year, you should be completely market ready. Like you should know everything. Like you should be able to solve all the aptitude questions, all the reasoning questions. You should be able to speak out in front of the interview. Like when the interview asks something, you know that what they're going to ask. Okay, so you're ready to answer them comfortably. Okay, and you have all the basic knowledge, everything, so that in third year only you are ready. So fourth year you won't feel any stressed out. Okay, the fourth year you'll be so much chilled, like so when you have confidence in front of the HR or in front of the technical interviewer, you will be confident because you know the stuff. Okay, what they're going to ask and everything you already know. And also it is going to help you in internship in the third year. You can apply for even in second year also. See, I'm telling you, in interview, sorry, an interview means in the placement, your resume will matter. Resume means what are the points you will be adding in resume. First thing is project. Okay, what are the stuff you have done till now. Second is your internship. If you have both these points, nobody is going to beat you. I'm telling you. If these two things you have on your resume, project and internship, you will be the first person the company will select you. I'm telling you. These two is the most important stuff they will be looking after. Okay, so you have to beat the people, you have to beat the competition with what? These two things only. So you are eligible for internship in the second year itself. Okay, you can go for internship. You will have summer vacation for 1 month, 2 months. Okay, so you can, if you know the stuff, you can go for internship. Like you know how to design a website. Okay, you know how to develop an Android app, or you know how to do some data analysis stuff. Okay, so what will happen that by with those skills a company will give you internship. Okay, so that's all matters. You get one or two internships in the two summer vacations, your life is settled. I'm telling you, your life is settled. Nothing, you don't have to worry about anything. Okay, and by the internship what will happen, you will get those opportunity to meet with seniors. You will have that exposure. Okay, you won't have that fear. When you go to interview, you will feel like they're your colleague, because you already met with some people, those who have already helped you out in your internship. You're getting the point? All of you getting my point, or any doubt you have?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I
Okay,
have a doubt.
yeah, ask.
Sir, online internship also available.
Yes,
What is the best? Offline या online internship is
doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. What you do in your internship, that matters.
okay, sir.
Okay, what you do in your internship, that matters. Project also, you do in 10 projects, doesn't matter. How much how much powerful is your project is, how much deep knowledge you invested in your project, that matters.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Srinivas sir, I'll take 4 to 5 lines. Okay, okay, guys, listen to me. Okay, hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yes,
Yes,
actually,
sir.
when you go to the HR round, no, that is only negotiation. Come to the second part. Okay, your technical skills. Okay, they know they are going to put you in a 3 months training. Okay, okay, if you are selected in TCS and other companies, they know what to do with you. Are you eligible to do that? They will check. Okay, eligible means, can you check the concepts? Can do you know the CC++? Have you done deep research in some concepts, so that they'll see, okay, this guy is suitable to be molded. Okay, they can mold you according to them. They are looking for this guy only. They will not see you can solve a question, circuit theory, you can do a database thing. They'll give you a program, you can do it in the paper. That is not their motto. They will see your attitude. If I'll hire this person and if I'll train this person, is he or she will be eligible to do my job or not? Every interviewer see it like this, and you have to prepare like that. Okay, you got my point, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll add one statement from Abhinav Bindra. You know Abhinav Bindra? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Who is Abhinav Bindra? Hello? Hello? Anybody
Yes,
knows
sir.
Abhinav Bindra?
Yes, sir.
Yes, a famous statement you see in Olympics. It is not about once in a 4 year. Okay? In a gold medal, he got gold medal, no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes.
In Olympics, he got gold medal. Okay. This is not all about once in a 4 year. You see him after a 4 year, but it is daily practice. He practiced daily for 4 years. He got a gold medal. This is applicable to you only. Don't waste your 1 minute. Okay. Go on practicing. Go on practicing. Go on practicing. Impress the interview tables. They will be forced to take you. This is your process. You practice 4 years. The day you go to the interview board, they will say, yes, this is my candidate. We do interview, we conduct everything. When I was in MTech, I was taking classes of BTech students. In a BTech student, when we evaluate questions and answers, we see what he is doing. Okay, the same question I'll give to 10 students, the way he is solving. Someone is solving in 4 steps, someone is solving in 10 steps, and in Odia medium, they'll give you to till the proved. We don't like that. We want a 3-step solution. The question requirement is done. He is a smart guy. They are searching for that guy. Okay, let's go to Srinivas. So please write down this point. You may be with us or not, but take this point of Abhinav Bindra. This is not about once in 4 years. Olympics comes in 4 years. Okay. Same case in Bolt also. He used to practice 4 years. Okay. Usain Bolt. He runs for 9 seconds. His statement was, for 9 seconds to run over here and make a world record, I practiced 4 years. If this banks you, means you are going to get a job within that 30 minutes of interview if you are practicing in 4 year only. The rest of the thing, everybody will tell you, in senior will tell you, junior will tell you, your friends will tell you. We know what is BTech, we know what is MTech, we know what is what and what people do. So don't worry about that. If you have 95% but you don't have basic aptitude, you're out. Second step, they will not see what you are doing. Okay, they will not see anything. They will simply give you one paper, aptitude, reasoning, and English. If you qualify, they will ask you to go to the interview board. Then only they will evaluate you. If you have no idea about aptitude, reasoning, English, and something basic things, you are out in the film stage. Okay, next to Srinivasa, I'll take your all the questions in the last. Okay, Srinivasa, please continue. Hello.
Okay.
Srinivasa. Okay.
Yes, yes, I'm here. So the today's content. Okay, so what we'll be discussing today. So why you must start now? Okay, the first point. Then I'll be giving you some career guidance. Like you, most of you guys are from IT and computer science, right? So I'll tell you what paths you have, like what are the options you have, and it's not compulsory that all of you become a software developer or a IT specialist or something. You can choose a different path also. Okay, so that's not a compulsion. And next point is why aptitude of reasoning and mathematics is important for us. Why it is important? Okay, because you all are in technical line, right? You none of you are in non-tech, right? You are all in technical, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So next is why campus placement is important. Those are serious about being a software developer and all that. So campus placement, why it is important. And next is why government job is important. Just a little intro. Like some of you might be interested in government job also, right? So I'll tell you about that also. Then what is the future of software job? Because you're right now in first year. So you have 4 years to go. So what are the changes that is going to happen in these 4 years? Okay. So you should prepare yourself according to the market, not simply you are studying something and market is demanding something. So if you want a price for yourself, salary is what? It's a price tag for your value, right? What the value you create. So if you want a good price for you, you have to create a good value for your, okay, you should be valuable for that company, right? So that is the thing. And the last is pricing, that the courses will be offering and what is the pricing for it. Okay, so that will in the end. So we'll proceed to the next slide. So why you must start now? Okay, uh, like I told you, we all are not born brilliant. Okay, we are not born genius, but we can be genius with effort and time. Like the simple example is Messi and Ronaldo. Okay, you might be knowing Messi and Ronaldo, right?
Yes, sir.
All of you know.
Scooter
So
players.
what is the difference? This fellow is talented. Okay, Messi is talented, but Ronaldo is hard work. The Ronaldo you see, it is all result of hard work. Okay, the Messi you see, it's all result of talent. Okay, so the thing is, but both are in the same level, almost same level, right? In the international career, if you see, they both are in the same level. But if you see the talent, obviously Messi is more talented than Ronaldo. Messi can play in all positions, Messi can do all the stuff, but Ronaldo is a good goal scorer. Like he created a name for himself with hard work only. Okay, so that's the difference I want to show you. All of us cannot become Messi, but all of us can become Ronaldo. So that's what I want to say. Okay, with the proper start, with the proper guidance, with proper effort, you all can become Ronaldo. That's what I want to say. Okay, so you can become an expert. You can become an expert and get ahead in the race. If you start early, you'll be always ahead in the race. Okay, yes or no? If there is a
Yes,
race,
sir.
Yeah, is it?
okay, and all are sleeping, you started early, so you will be ahead in the race, obviously. Okay, that will give you more confidence. The more ahead of you, the more ahead you are, the more confident you will become. Okay, the fear and everything will be it will go away from your life. Okay, you won't be fearful, like you'll be completely fearless, because you know that I am 50 meters ahead of that person, so he can't catch me. Okay, before he catches me, I'll reach the finish line. So that's the thing. And industry trends awareness, because see, right now I'll tell you that how blockchain works. Okay, you won't understand, or maybe some of you might be understanding, but most of you won't understand. Why? Because you have not done the basic. You don't know Python, you don't know data structure, how the algorithms work, you don't know anything. So if you don't know the basic stuff, you won't understand the advanced stuff. You're getting the point? So means if you don't know addition, subtraction, and division and everything, then I'll ask you to solve a integration question. How will you do? You can't do, na? You can't even read it. Getting the point? So industry trend awareness means what? If you know the basic stuff, if you are continuously involved with this technical stuff, then only you can understand how the industry is going, what technology they're following, like what are the new technologies that are coming. Okay, so to understand the industry, you have to start early. You should know the stuff. Then adaptability. How to say it? Adaptability means, see, if you have variety of knowledges, you know C++, you know Java, you know Python, or you know Android development, you know everything. So you have all the skills. Suddenly the situation demands you to become a like Android developer, but you have the skill of Android development, so you can do that thing. Okay, But if you don't know that thing, then what will happen? You can't fulfill the demand. So adaptability means what? You have all the skills so that you can orient yourself to a particular direction. Okay, you getting my point?
Yes.
Students,
Hello.
please respond, please.
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Yes.
It is
Okay.
not a single direction. Okay, you should say yes. It will be good for you. You interact, we will be happy. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
So the
Srinivas
next
sir,
thing
please.
is internship and job opportunities. Okay. So if you start early, you can do 2, 3 internships. You can, you can even get a pre-placement offer also. If you're doing good in internship, what will happen? The company will give you a directly placement. So before even sitting for the campus placement, you itself you will get a job. Okay. So that will happen if you know the skills. You're getting the point. So these are the points why you should start now. Okay. So the next thing is career path. So what are the things available to you? What lines you can go? So one is obviously your private company. Okay. That you go and become a software developer. There are also two paths: core and non-core. Core means what? You completely go into IT industry. There is another path. What is that? Non-core. Non-core means what? You become consultant. Okay. So these are also the line, the path you can go also. Okay. So I'm just telling you what paths are available for you. Okay. You can directly go into IT companies or you can go into consulting firms. Okay. So those are non-core line. Okay. You become HR or you can go into finance. Those stuff also you can do. There is no restriction on that. So the next path is government job. You can prepare for UPSC, SSC, or state government jobs. Okay. These are also good, not bad. Okay. So you can go try for this path also. Okay. Then you can go for startup or business. If you have good idea, you can start a business or you can go for startup. Those stuff also you can do. The next is what? Freelancer. So you don't have to join a company, you have the skill. Okay, you take the project from a company, you finish it and give them, they'll give you the money. Okay. So these are the four paths you have. You can choose any of this. No restriction. Okay, getting the point? Whatever I'm saying, you're understanding, right?
Yes, sir.
Hello, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Good.
okay, okay. I'll interrupt one thing. Guys, can you say what is freelancing? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Can you say example of freelancing?
Yes, sir. If you have any kind of special skill in on you, you
Yes.
can do that job for anyone, and you will get paid for that.
Now YouTube is the god now. Everybody knows. If you know C, you can teach in C in YouTube and you can earn money. If you know Android development, you can go to farm and say this, I can do this, and they will give the job. You can earn money. This is freelancing. Okay. You can earn a handsome money, but it is not constant. Okay. Startup business is risky. Government job everybody prefers because till the age of 60, I'll be enjoying my life with whatever government will give. And private job, it is also risky but high pay. Means if you switch one company to next company, let me tell you, in TCS, if you enter in 3 lakhs or 4 lakhs starting payment, after 2 years, you switch the company, you will get 8 lakhs. After 2 years, you switch the company, you will get 15 lakhs. So this is good option. According to your potential, you choose the path. Okay, it is very important. Take a screenshot. Okay.
Now we'll be sharing the
Okay,
video
Srinivas
also.
sir.
We'll be sharing the video also. Those who have not attended the
Okay,
class also, they can see it. Okay. Next.
okay, Srinivas
So
sir.
now I'll go for that. You all guys are belong to IT, right? So what are the paths you have? You can go for software development. Okay. So I'll be telling you 12 career paths. Those are important. Like uh, so one is software development. Okay. So in this, you know what is full stack developer, right? Those are front end and back end combining is called full stack developer. Okay. And front end means what? Like OFS designing, the front end. Okay, whatever you are saying. So that is that is the front end developer. What is the back end developer? Those will be developing, the data. Like see whatever you're seeing in the front, I'm designing it. The front end developer will design it how you see it. What you see will be designed by whom? Backend developer. Getting the point? Backend developer will be doing the stuff that is related to some data analytics or security or some those type of stuff. Okay. So this is one path you can choose: software development and engineering. Next is data science and analytics. Okay. So this is a huge demand right now. Data scientist and data analyst position have a huge demand. Okay. So what we'll be doing is this demands advanced mathematics. Okay. You should be so strong in mathematics. Okay. Like statistic, probability, and calculus, linear algebra. Okay. Matrix, all these topics you should be knowing. Then only you can enter into this field. Okay. The next is what? Cyber security. You all know, I think, cyber security. Okay. The password you are giving, it is being protected, right? Otherwise, the hackers will hack it. So the protection of those stuff will be done by the cyber security. Okay. They will be handling how to protect it from the hackers. So these are three. Then another stuff, what is that is the artificial intelligence or machine learning. Then another is web development. Then one is mobile app development. Okay, I'm just going through the stuff so that you know that what are the sites are available. While when we'll have this class now, I'll be telling you in details. Okay, like which subject, like which role demands which subject to study. Okay, so I'll be telling you details. Then next is database administration. So it is nothing but you have to manage the data, how to sort it, how to store it, okay, how to provide secure, like this, so that nobody can access the data. Okay, you have to make it secure, right? So those come under this database administration. Then cloud computing, like Amazon Web Service. Okay, it's a cloud computing, right? Because they will be providing you what storage, they will be providing you processing speed, everything online. I think you all of you guys know that AWS. So you don't have you don't need a hard disk in a laptop to store data. You can store in AWS. Okay, so that you don't have to spend so much money in the hardware. You can directly pay some money to Amazon, and you can use the AWS service to store some 1 terabyte data or 10 terabyte data, whatever storage you want. You can buy it. And software testing, okay, like debugging and testing the software, like is it working properly or not before releasing to the consumer. The next is IT consulting and project management. So it's like your this comes under managerial position. Okay, means you have the idea of how the stuff works. So you go to a firm and you guide them. You tell them this software is good, this project is good. Like you bring the projects from there. Okay, you explain them and bring the projects from there. The next is network engineering. You know how this work. Okay, network engineering means what? We all connected to internet, right? So somewhere somebody is managing those stuff, right? So that is network engineering. The next is teaching and research. You can go for MTech, you can go for PhD, do the research, you can become a professor, assistant professor, whatever you want. That also you can go. Okay, so these are the paths available for you. Okay, the slide will be given to you. You can once again go through it, or the video also you can refer. I'll share it. Okay, then government jobs. What are the options you have available? OPSC, OSSC, OSSC, SSC, UPSC, GATE. You can give GATE and go to MTech. Go to IIT to do MTech and get a job from there also after 2 years. Then PSUs also are there, banking, railways. Okay, so these are your options available. Okay, you can prepare this alongside also.
I'll interrupt, sir.
Yes,
Students,
yes.
hello.
Yes,
How many
sir.
of you are aware of GATE? This is graduate aptitude test for engineers. Okay, after your BTech, you have to appear this exam. Then you will be qualifying for MTech, and then only you will go to PhD. That is the another line. UPSC, you know. SSC, how many of you know? Hello. Why I interrupted here is very important, because for all these exams, note this point: the eligibility criteria is a graduate. He may be a civil engineer, he may be a electrical engineer. You cannot say I am a MCA, you cannot say I am a BA also. They are all eligible. Can you see this? All these nine um, uh, directions: OPSC, SSC, PSU, banking, railway, and all these things. You should be a graduate to apply. Okay, the entry point is you should be a graduate. It is nowhere mentioned that you should have a 90%, you should have 80% or a 70%. You are simple graduate, you are eligible to apply. Then how you will get a job? This comes to your skills. You start preparing for OPSC or UPSC from the first year, you will crack in the last year, fourth year. Guys have done it. I'll give you references, they have cracked in fourth year also. And guys, after fourth year of BTech, they are going to Delhi and spending 4 years and 12 lakhs. They are not getting job. That is the difference. So we are insisting you to start at least early from the home or wherever is the resource, you take it and you continue, please. Okay. If you want a guidance, we are here. We are in this field only. Okay. Let's start with
So the next
Srinivasa.
is
Okay, sir.
why aptitude and reasoning and math is important. First of all, to crack any government job, you need this thing: aptitude, reasoning, mathematics. That is compulsory. You open any exam, government exam, this paper will be there. That is compulsion. So that's about government exam. Okay, leave it. Then why, as a IT software developer, you should know this stuff. See, I have given some examples over here. Algorithm design. You want to design an algorithm. You should know mathematical concept, right? Because you're designing algorithm. How come you can design without knowing the mathematics? Okay. And see, by solving this reasoning and aptitude questions, what will happen now? Your imagination, your creativity, your ability to think will improve. Okay. So that will help you in, they will ask you to design a like simple question. Okay. How to do bubble sorting, how to do uh, you know how to arrange, how to find a palindrome. Okay, that these two letters are opposite. Like if you reverse a sentence, it should become the same sentence one second. That is
Yes,
palindrome,
sir.
right?
Palindrome
Ah,
numbers.
so how will you find that it's a palindrome? Okay, so you should be able to imagine it, right? Then only you start writing code. Otherwise, before writing code, if you don't know what you are doing, then how you will design the code? So for the imagination and everything, na, this mathematics, aptitude and reasoning, these are important because you should be able to calculate the stuff in your mind. You should be able to do that processing in your mind. So for that, it is very very important. Okay, you find out those who are good in coding, those are good software developers. Na, they'll be really good in mathematics. They will be really good in aptitude and reasoning. You test them. You take anybody. Okay, those are really doing the coding. Those are testers and all that. I'm not testing doesn't require you much aptitude and all that. But those are designing. Those are in designing. Okay, those are writing the algorithms. Those are writing. That automation process and everything. They'll be really good in aptitude and reasoning and mathematics. So you should understand it. Okay, and another thing is that before writing code, you should optimize the code also, na, so that the time taken by the system should be less, right? Okay, so when you write a code, that is the first priority. Okay, in the test you will see that when you appear for a technical interview or appear for a coding test, na, they will have a parameter that it should be solved in some 1 millisecond. The code should give result in 1 millisecond. If you can't write a code which can solve that question in 1 millisecond, and it takes 10 milliseconds, then your code will be rejected. Your code won't be passed in the test case because you're taking more time. Getting the point? So optimization of the code. So for that also you need this aptitude, reasoning, mathematics. Okay, data structure, programming logic. Any concept you pick from computer science that needs mathematics. Like I told you, linear algebra, it is important. I told you earlier, right? Statistics, calculus. Okay, these are important topics. Okay, these topics you should know if you want to grow higher. See, I'm not telling everybody can handle this or learn this, but those who are really serious about going into IT or software development, they should learn this stuff. Okay, if you really want a path, I'm telling you, you give 3 years of your time, you devote your 3 years, you will be a different person. I'm telling you, you can beat even an IITian, you can beat any good college students if you can practice these 3 years. Okay, I'm not saying to practice whole day, just give 2 to 3 hours every day. Practice, learn, practice, learn. I'm telling you, you will improve. And by 3 years, nobody will recognize even you that you're from a normal college or something like that. You will be able to beat the top colleges also. So that belief you should have, first of all. If you don't believe yourself that I can beat them, then you can never beat them. First of all, you should believe, then you should work hard. Okay, and then you should study properly and take guidance. Okay, because if you have any doubt, somebody should be there to clear it, right? So I'm telling you, this part is why that mathematics part, aptitude part is important. Okay, and another thing is that I'll tell you later, that one more slide is there why it is important. Okay, so next is why campus placement is important. Why? Like sir told, it is convenient for you, right? Because companies are coming to you. You are not going to companies. So it is a convenience for you, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So it is a convenience, right? You don't have to fight among 10,000 or 20,000 students. You are just fighting among some 100 or 200 students. That's all. Then early access to opportunity. Just imagine somebody got placed in a company and somebody didn't get placed in a company. Then what will happen? That person has to go outside, fight, apply for companies, or go to some place in Bangalore and do a course. So you're already ahead of him, right? You're getting the point. If you get a placement, you are getting a early access to opportunity, because once you join a company, your resume starts filling up because you will be doing some work. You can write it down. You have a 2-year experience, you have a 3-year experience. Then suddenly you can switch the job. You get double the package you are placed in. Okay, let's say you joined as a 5 lakh salary. With a 5 lakh salary you join. Suddenly with 3 or 4 year experience, you can get a 10 lakh salary. You're getting the point. So early access is important. Like I told you, the earlier you start, the better it is for you. So the earlier you start right now, that will give you early access to the opportunity, and that opportunity will create another early opportunity to change the company, or get a better salary. So you'll be ahead of everybody. That difference you will see in 5 to 6 years, I'm telling you. Just just believe us, because we have already experienced. Okay, we have experience of 5 to 6 years in job life, 4 years in the college. We have seen the people. Okay, so that's why I'm saying you. So early access is very important. Then simplified process. Okay, you don't have to write mail to company. You don't have to send resume to company. Nothing. Company will come. They'll take a test. They will interview you. They will select you. That's all. So it's a simplified process, right? You don't go through any complications. Then confidence building. What is confidence building? Like, once you get the campus placement, your confidence will be high. Just imagine your friends are getting placed and you are not getting placed. You are going out of college. You won't even feel good to talk with your friends also. Why? Because the difference will be there. That person got placed, you don't have a job. You will feel inferior. Okay, yes or no?
Hello.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
guys.
You will feel
Okay, you are
inferior,
getting
na?
our point.
Shall I tell
Okay.
in Hindi, or you are comfortable in English, right, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
that
sir.
Hello, guys.
that confidence is important. Okay, that confidence is important.
Okay.
Okay, once you go out of
Uh,
the college, na, college is like a protective layer. Okay, like it's a layer. Right now you are in a oil. Okay, so out of college means you're out of the oil, and the whole world is in front of you, and the competition you will see, na, you will be afraid. If you don't have the knowledge, you don't have the skill, na, you can't beat them. You can't compete in the outside market. It's very tough. Okay, next, why government job is important? So like I told, it's give you job security. Okay, it has a fixed hour of working, right? You go at 10 o'clock, you come by 6. After 6, nobody is going to call you. Okay, with a lunch break. Okay, and then work life balance. Yes, that is true. And so you get some benefits and power. Okay, but those who want to earn more, like those who want to really earn more, those who want to do something in their life, I'll tell you, go into private. Okay, like rocket, go into private. You create something, you'll enjoy your life. Okay, those who are passionate about creating something, na, private job is best for them. Okay, so this is some, just a, I'm telling you the benefit. Those who are interested in government job, these are the benefits that you're going to get. That's all. Okay, the recruitment process. What are the process you are going to have in the recruitment? Okay, first thing will be written round. Yes, and written round will be there. So the one technical round will be there, and then another will be managerial round. It happens in some companies, or it is also optional round. Okay, like many companies doesn't take this round. Okay, then next is HR round. Okay, then what are the written round contents? One is aptitude. It's compulsory. First, you have to pass this one. See, that's why I'm telling you why aptitude is important. Because you won't pass this means these rounds are closed for you. Okay, you won't be allowed to sit in this round. Okay, you may be a good coder. You can write a good programming. You're good in coding, but you don't know how to solve this aptitude questions, you don't know how to solve this reasoning questions, then you are not going to go to the second step. Okay, so this is the most important stuff. So you should be first. And another thing is, those are not good in aptitude, obviously they're not good in coding. Okay, I'm telling you, that is true. Okay, if you're not good in aptitude, you can't be a good coder. Okay, because your thinking ability is not good. If your thinking ability is not good, you can't write a good code. Okay, so the next will be programming language test. Means what? They'll be asking some basic questions. What is Java? What is OOP? Okay, and why OOP is important? Okay, what is inheritance and all this stuff. So these are the basic questions they will ask you. And once you pass through this one, then you will go to write a code. That code means they'll give you some 30 minutes or something like that. That if the code should pass all the test cases with the time limit, then only your code will pass. Okay, once your coding done, then some companies they ask you to write a they test your email writing or essay writing. They can ask you to write an essay, or they can ask you to write an email. Okay, so that also comes under the written round. Then next, okay, then after that, after you qualify these rounds, you will go to technical round. That interview will be there. They will be asking you simple questions. They see once you're passed in written round, na, they know that this guy has the knowledge. Okay, they they know that you have the knowledge. So technical round, what happens? They ask you basic questions. They simply will ask you related to data structure, related to DBMS, related to networking. Okay, or some like that basic stuff only. Okay, they just want to know your confidence. Or they may take your paper, the written round, the papers will be there, na, those who have submitted. They'll take it and they may guess that you might have copied it. Okay, so they will just go and they'll ask you that you have written this code. Tell me this fourth line. Okay, what this fourth line mean and why you wrote this. Like that also they will ask you. You're getting the point. So whatever code you are writing, you should be confident about it. Okay, getting the point, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Or any doubts till now, or any doubts, keep it, we'll discuss in the end. Okay, any doubts you have, you can ask any questions you want. Okay, then next, what are the future of software industry? So these are the four important high demand. I'm telling you, right now there is less number of data analysts available in the market. Less number, I'm telling you, less number means there are more jobs. Like there are 100 jobs, but maybe there are 60 or 70 candidates only available in the market, those who can fill the seat. So already 30 seats are vacant. So you guys must be saying that jobs are not there. Jobs are there, but the skill that it requires, the people are not there with that skill level. Okay, so these are the areas like the artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotic process automation, cyber security, NLP. NLP means natural language processing. Okay, like how to make a robot understand human behavior, how to make them understand all languages, Hindi, English, Odia, or any language. Okay, how they will understand it. So that basically NLP. This Chat GPT and all, they're their combination of AI with NLP. Okay, because they understand your language, right? What you are writing in English, they're understanding it, right? So that is NLP. Okay, so the India also making a sort of like Chat GPT based on Hindi language. They're making in all regional language. Okay, you can ask that in Oriya also. Like you can ask a question in Oriya and it will answer you. So that is comes under NLP. So these are the future. Okay, so make yourself ready with that. Okay, so I'll take the doubts. Any doubts you have, you can ask me now, or any questions you want me to tell, clarify anything. Ask. No, don't hesitate. You ask any doubt you have.
I have a
Bol.
doubt.
Ask.
Sir, to start our journey, there is what to start with first. I mean, we are studying basic C programming in college, and then
Okay.
what we have to do additionally.
Okay. What to do additionally? You have to do the stuff in parallel way. See, first of all, you are doing C. So you learn C. There is no issue in that. You learn C. Along with that, you start taking some mathematics courses. Okay. You learn aptitude. You learn once you complete aptitude, you go for reasoning and all that. Then after that, you start with statistics, you start with probability, you start with, because see, it depends upon your goal, okay, what you want to become. But these stuffs are important. These mathematics knowledge you should have. So you have any mathematics course right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll
So
answer this one.
what is the mathematics course you have? Means what they're teaching in that course? The course. What is the
It's basic engineering mathematics.
okay? So do it nicely. That basic engineering mathematics is very important. You do it. It will be having calculus and everything, right?
Yes, sir.
Huh. So along with that, do it nicely. Okay, Senapat sir, you will be telling something.
No, just to add to this point, okay. See, interviewer will ask you a simple question like, tell me the five courses you have studied in 7 semester. This was my interview experience. I'm saying, you ask anybody, he forgets what is there in 7 semester. Okay, means if you have studied lot, now you have studied lot, you have mapped your study, you will be able to say that okay, this is the chapter, this is the concept I have studied. They will link the semester to semester. They will see how much effort you have put. If you are into a software industry, you will be going to office at around 10 to 11 and you will be coming from 8 o'clock. You can handle that pressure or not. Giving you course is doesn't mean that you are intelligent. Are you able to handle that pressure? Somebody says a plus b whole square. What is the use of a plus b whole square? I am not using an a plus b whole square. That is taught to you to see if you can handle future pressure or not. You have C C plus plus. There is no limit to C C plus. So I must tell you, you will get 10 books in C C plus plus. Starting from Dennis Ritchie, the Chatti book one. Okay, green one. Okay, you will go to Madam Kulkarni, Madam, everybody. You will get 5 to 6 books. You make one thing solid, that is CC++, go to interview and say that, sir, I am master in CC++. They will check your depth. They will say, yes, this is the guy who has research in this subject. I'll put it in other domain. He will do the same. That is the requirement from a candidate. That's it. You do research in one subject or two subjects. That's enough. They'll ask you what is your favorite subject. You say, sir, algebra. What is that? You are average guy. You say my favorite subject is C, C++. They'll say, yes, this is the candidate. Let's ask him from Dennis Ritchie book. You answer, okay, let's go to another book. Yes, he has referred to this book also. Let's go in depth. Yes, he is an average guy of 6 out of 10. They will ask you 4 to 5 questions and they'll know how much effort you have given in the BTech or BCA, something, that 3 year or 4 years. You have casually studied C. Your answer will tell. If I'll ask you one definition, you'll say, oh, sir, okay, this is casual approach. If you are doing, don't go for extra things, you do research. That's it. Your words will say that, yes, this is a guy. Yes, he has done this. Definition to definition, content to content mapping. You can't do anything. You do one thing, master. That's it, I'm saying. You take lots of stops in your armor and be master in one thing. And we are here to stress you to the preliminary stage. You have to use that one. Please do the necessary things. That is aptitude, reasoning, mathematics, and some coding. This is basic. Required from you as a fresher. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Let's
Ashish, I'll answer your question. So with this image, okay. So this is the pricing table we have created. Okay. So this is the pricing we're going to keep.
School student.
No, this is the pricing we're going to keep for our course. So I'll tell you how we have planned it. Okay. See, right now you all have, we are considering that you have 3 years. Okay, because last year I am giving you as the final year. That is that part only be focused on the placement part. Okay. So 3 years. So what I am focusing on is that right now that there will be 5 classes per month where we will be considering teaching only quantitative, reasoning, data interpretation, and general computer science. Okay, Ashish.
Hello.
Yes,
Oh,
sir, I'm
guys.
listening.
Okay. Can you see
Ashish.
this?
Okay. So see, there will be parallelly weekly, say monthly, there will be total 13 classes. Okay. Total 13 classes will be there. 5 for the silver, like those who wants to take only prepare for government exams, they can take only the silver one. Okay. So what will happen that only 5 classes they will be attending, and in that we will be teaching you only quantitative reasoning, data interpretation, and general computer science. So this is the 5 class gone. Okay. Then another remaining 8 class. Out of that, another 5 class will be teaching you what? Advanced mathematics, like I told you, linear algebra, calculus, statistic, probability, okay, matrix determinant, and all this stuff. Those are required for the advanced coding. Okay. So this silver also you'll be attending 5 classes. Then apart from that, another 5 classes will be there in that month, where we'll be teaching this advanced mathematics, C++, and Python, plus data structure. Okay. So this will be a gold. Okay. And then the diamond one is what? That will be addition to gold. There will be another 3 classes. So there we'll be teaching you puzzle, technical interview, and placement preparation. Okay. Like whatever questions they will be asking, we'll be having group discussions. Okay. And and technical interview also will be planning. Okay. So this is the package, like this is the pricing we have kept. See, if you consider the diamond also, you'll be paying only 500 per month into let 12 months. So it is coming down to 6,000 into 3. If you'll do for 3 years, it is 18,000, which is pretty less. If you go for any type of coaching center, if you go to any place directly for even 3 to 4 months also, you have to pay this 18,000. Okay. And one more thing is that you are freshers, you are in the first year. So we can see, you have to do your curriculums also, you have to do your courses also, right? Along with that also, you have to learn all the stuff. So that's why, so 13 classes per month means per week, how many classes it is? Hardly 3 classes. So per week, if you attend 3 classes, and that will be a slow addition to your knowledge base, and slowly you'll see the difference. After within 6 months to 1 year, you will see the difference. I'm telling you. Okay, so this is the pricing we have kept. It is not high as much as I think. So the market is pretty less. Okay, and even we will be giving you doubt clearance anytime. Like in WhatsApp, you ask any of your doubts, we'll be replying it. Okay, so this is the pricing we have kept. Okay, Ashish, any doubt you have? Like, see, we are going parallelly. You are getting the point. See, here we are teaching aptitude. With that parallelly also, we'll be teaching you the advanced mathematics with all this stuff, and then we'll be going to the technical placement and everything. So this is the package we have. You see it clearly. You guys decide. See, if you are really serious about your career, 18,000 is nothing. I'm telling you. You will be spending 500 per month. Means per day, how much? Only less than 20 rupees. Okay. So you guys must be eating pani puri with that. Okay, with the 20 rupees. I can bet most of you will be eating 500 rupees pani puri per month. So that's all you have to save per month. That's all. At least for your career.
Okay. Srinivas sir, I'll interrupt you. Okay,
Yeah.
guys, you might be thinking that what is this price? Okay, we asked you in a Google form. Okay, we asked you in a Google form. People told that it should be 300, 500, 1,000. We didn't go for that. Okay, so we made it flexible so that we will invest our time. Okay, it will be we will find serious candidates. Okay, otherwise, we are into free industry. Ashish knows, and many of them knows. I am teaching free for 10 years, and from my experience, I say if something is free, nobody values. Okay, nobody will come. The next day they'll say, "Sir, I missed the class. Please repeat." Others will have to wait. We don't want to repeat that one. This is my experience. Okay, I have taught class 10th. I have taught 12th. I have taught banking students. Everybody. I have seen this problem. If it is free, they'll say, okay, tomorrow we will ask. They'll come tomorrow and they'll tell, sir, please repeat it. I am not getting. As a teacher, you'll be frustrated. He is not getting. And you are making wait other students also. Okay, you are getting my point or not? 10 students are
Yes, sir.
waiting for the new concept, and some few two students are saying that, sir, yesterday I had no classes, I cannot join, and so please revive. Back of the mind, you will be thinking that this guy is not getting, you cannot give your 100%. That is why we will be giving you all the recording classes in our application. You got the point? You miss the class, you go and ask us. We are happy to help you 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Not like, okay, sir, repeat the whole class. Okay. So this is Pani Puri concept. This is ant and grasshopper concept, and this is experience of Prasan sir and Srinivas sir concept. If you like, we will continue, no problem. And it is up to Srinivas sir now to wind up, and we will take your yeah.
No, nothing but
questions.
that we'll be taking your questions. Any other questions you can ask? We're here.
Yes, now it is open to students. You can ask. Forget about
Anything. If you don't take course, also no issue. If you have any doubts, you can ask for your
you ask.
career or
We are here
anything.
to guide you. You go back to why that slide. Go back to that. I'll tell a beautiful story of mine. Campus placement. Go back. This is the true story. Okay. No. Next one. Yes, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. I'll tell you my story. Okay. Go back. Another slide.
Which one?
Convenience, confidence. Yes, this one is okay. No problem. So somehow I must tell you my real story. Okay. When we were pass out. Okay. So many of my students, many of my friends go to Bangalore. Okay, they were chilling like grasshopper. Okay, yes, it is BTech. There is a bike, there is girlfriend, everything. They did everything. Only thing they didn't do is study. Okay, they went to Bangalore, and the nightmare starts there. You have to wash your cloth by yourself. Write it on paper. Okay, nobody. A fixed amount will be given to you. You have to adjust that time. Now parents will give you everything. Daddy, I want 5,000 to do Java. They will give you 6,000 because my son is or daughter is reading. They'll give you more than what you record. Once you are passed out, everything is over. Their hope is over. They will just think, okay, my son or daughter, let's get a job. Okay, everybody is going to Bangalore. You go to Bangalore, and the beautiful thing is, I have seen people walk in. There is a beautiful concept like walk in the companies in Bangalore. There will be walk in. If you are electronics engineer or computer science engineer, there will be walk in tomorrow. You go and line up, queue up from 6 a.m. in the morning. Okay, you got the point. If you want to avoid this one, please start reading from today. I have seen people going 6 a.m. and standing in front of the gate of the company, and they are being interviewed in the 5 p.m. Total Nirjala Upavas. Did you got the Odia word Nirjala Upavas? Guys, in empty stomach, my friends are given the interview at 5 p.m. Maybe today you will not get a job. Tomorrow you have to go back again. Please avoid this one. This is a request.
Like I told you, you have to suffer. You suffer now or you suffer then.
Yes, you
That's
invest
your choice.
anywhere. I'm saying, see, in online mode, we will give you some idea. If you are in Borgod, if you are in Baleswar, if you are in Bhubaneswar, go to a nearest place and master C++. We are saying you go, make this happen in your life. 1% get a job. Be in that 1%, not in 99%. And everything will go. Confidence building, as sir told that in every Friday, Saturday and Sunday, one of your friend will get a job and they will invite you. Come, there is a party because I got a 16 lakh package. That time you will see your face. If you don't have a job, you'll hesitate to go. Oh, I don't have a job. Why should I go? You cannot enjoy that party. So this will happen to everybody. I'm not saying me. It is everybody. Has happened to us in our building also. That happened to our group. So our brand NIT and IIT, we are here to help you. That you have to trust. As I say, Abhinav Bindra dialogue, go and Google it. It is not all about 4 years. Once in a 4 year, I'll go and shoot, I'll get a gold medal. No, mind your friends. You have to practice 4 years and shoot in the Olympic. If you got this point, go. Don't sleep. I'll say don't sleep. The demand from you is don't sleep. Go to sleep when you think that I'm master in Java.
Anyway, you have to sleep. Anyway, you have to sleep after 60 or 70 years. No. Anyway, you have to sleep after 60, 70 years. So don't sleep now.
Yes. Okay. You'll be aunt after 4 years. Okay. You'll be enjoying your life. And my personal thing, if you don't know, two of my brothers are software engineers in USA. Okay, I have proudly I can say that I have guided them. Okay, both are there. One day I'll tell them to come. Okay, to give you a lecture anyway. How they went to USA, something like that. We will tell you. And I have no preference to go abroad, so we choose India. So we are here happily. Okay, okay, guys. Maybe it is BCA, BBA, MCA, MBA, whoever you are, get a good job, make your proud parents proud. The rest of the thing you will come to know after 3 to 4 years. In our batch also, 5% are in good position, 10%, 20% are struggling. Rest of them are in village. We go to village and say, hello, let's go party. Yes, everything you will fail. You choose your category, a ant or a grasshopper. From my whole lecture, I'll tell you two statement. Okay. Abhinav Bindra statement is good. And the small story I told you in 4 lines, choose a character. You want to be a grasshopper or a ant. When you are enjoying in the college, ask yourself, is my future secure? Okay. You get a job, software job, you go to Andaman, you go to anywhere, you go to German, France, everything will be there. But in 4 years, what you will do in Bhubaneswar, you will go to Puri, you will go to somewhere, you will go to Hyderabad, you will go to this. This is limited thing. You are investing your time in a small thing. Get a job, you will go abroad. Beautiful life. That's it from our side. If you have any question, you can put. See you in next class. If you have any doubt, you can call. We have successfully consumed your 1 year, and time is very important for you. Okay.
1 hour.
You can ask. Yes, you can ask anything. You ask a
I
doctor.
have a question.
Ask.
Yes. Can name please.
Pragyan Pramita Sahu, sir.
Okay. Please go ahead.
Sir,
Prag-
in HR round, some TCS and Supra's HRR comes in our college and asks what is your goals and what answer gives to HR to impress to in a question.
Okay, what is your goal?
See,
Question is
My
what?
goal
What is
is web
okay,
developer.
why I was rejected in TCS interview? I am telling you, you'll get the answer. In Calcutta, they asked the same question. Okay,
Yes,
I
sir.
was so confident that yes, I was confident from the beginning. I was confident. You give me course, you give me everything, I'll crack it. This is my guarantee. We have that attitude. Okay, I was so much confident. My friend is there, Uttaran Thakur. He is now in senior manager. I left it.
They ask what is your short-term goal and what is your long-term goal.
Yes.
And I don't
You
think
can do it.
what I give
What
to
I told,
answer they
let me tell
impress.
you. Okay, let me tell you what I told. I was preparing for CAT at that time. My goal was to go to IIM at max XIMB. You know these 2 words, guys. Hello.
Yes, sir.
You know MBA exams, no CAT exam and XIT JAT exam and SNAP exam. I was so confident that I'll crack it. No problem. This is my time pass. I don't. I want to see myself as a manager in this company. I'll go to complete my MBA and all those things. You are just laughing, and I was not selected. Don't impress. Okay, be yourself. My is be yourself. If you are really interested to solve TCS, make it a flexible answer. Okay, I want to serve this company. First, you should serve this company in a long term. Okay, they want a long-term serving company. Nobody will invest in a fresher. You will learn everything and you will go to another company. Okay.
No, yeah,
So
both
you
your
show that I am
short term and long term both should be linked with TCS. That's how your answer should be.
So before going that, note this one. You deep research in their profile, what they are working, and what field they are working. You show that I'm interested in that field and I have this knowledge about your company. Okay, and I'm very much interested in doing this. I had a project in this. This will help me to help you. This type of answer should be framed. There is nothing like if I am a HR manager and I'll ask you same question, everybody will give a ratta answer. No, I'll not listen to you. This is a Google answer. I'll not listen. If you start, sir, my higher dream is this, lower dream is this, middle dream is this. Sorry, my dear, I know this answer. You be yourself, okay? I have done the research on TCS. TCS is working on this field, and this field, and they have office in this and working on this concept. And I am very much interested in mathematics. That will help me to do this project. And my friends are there in Bangalore. They were saying you are working on this field. You show them you are interested. They are your girlfriend, boyfriend. You show you did that. Oh yes, I want to work with you. No need of impressing. They know everything. They are interviewing lots of students. You just go and be yourself and just say positive things to them. That's it. They'll see, yes, this is true boy or girl. I'll take it. They know. So we are recruiting 100 students. They'll skip 60 to 70 will go to the next company. They know. They want to listen from your mouth only. Okay. If you say that, no, this is my I am in the 20% of that side, and they will keep it. That's it. Okay.
See,
Next question. Anybody?
see,
Be
Pragya,
yourself in the
actually,
interview.
see, Pragya, actually, na, when the interview will be there, na, go to their company sites and everything. See the recent project they're working on, the recent technology they're working on, and link your knowledge with that project or something like that. Okay, the field they're currently working na, so link your knowledge or your projects with that field and try to give the answer. Okay, that's the way it is.
That is the diamond package.
They
we will
will
give
be
you
the
1-2 classes in
they're
every week.
directly they will take you. I'm telling you, if you know what they're currently working on and you know the stuff they're currently working on, that's enough. That is the answer they want to hear. Okay, Pragya.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Any other doubts?
Sir, may I ask one?
Ask.
Sir, you said about internship.
Hmm.
So, sir, should companies offer internships for faster students?
See, for faster it is a little difficult because so it's all depends upon your knowledge. You have to apply it. From second year onwards, it becomes easy because you know they consider second and third year students specifically. From first year, you can try it out. You can from the like your summer vacation is when June or May, right?
Yes, sir. For 45
So
days.
for 45 days. So from March end or something, you start writing mails to the company.
Okay, I'll add to this. Okay, in first year also you can do. There are government offices, and they advertise that we want this student. Okay, you can do that also. If you are into softwares, directly go for paid internship. 45-day course in Java, 45-day course in this tech and this. You pay and do. You show it in the resume. That's it. Internship doesn't mean somebody will pay you money. If you are saying in that point of
No.
view,
Payment
don't go
won't
for
be there. Payment.
So there are unpaid internships.
Unpaid
that is
interns
what
are
I'm
there.
saying. Go for unpaid internship in first year. That's it. Invest 10,000, 6,000. You do some stops. That will be good for you. Okay. And the spoken English
They
is
will
very
take you.
important, my
If you
dear.
have knowledge, they will take you. There is no issue in that. I'm telling you now, you have talent.
And
Even now also they can
in
take you. If
campus
you apply
interview,
now, you will get it.
there will be a GD round. Okay, they don't have anything else. They'll sit in a GD round. They'll see you are speaking or not. I can hardly listen 3 to 4 like Pragya, Ashish, and somebody like that. Yeah, please improve your spoken English. You should
That
be
is,
able to talk in.
we'll have
Yes.
JD round.
Yeah.
We'll have group discussion. Every month we'll have
Okay,
one
we'll
group
give you
discussion.
feedback. We
And
will
we'll
give
give
you
you
feedback
feedback
how
how
to
to
improve.
what point and how to put your point forward. That also will teach you. Okay. So it's a
Simple.
slow process. If
I
you
can
want
remember.
in 1 month you will crack it, it won't happen like that. You have to practice it daily, so that in 1 or 2 years you become good in GD, you become good in technical interview, you become good in coding, everything. It takes time. Okay, so you have to put slowly effort. So that's what we are here to. Okay, so if you understand our motto, then join it. Okay, that's the our proposal. Okay, sir. Tell anyone any other
Questions?
doubts?
Sir,
Tell.
sir, जो HR राउंड रे पचारନ୍ତି आपनको हॉबी कोन सेटा कोन माने हमको आंसर रे तांकर कोन कि इंप्रेशन ना कोन कि डिपेंड करे कि हमें हॉबीज कोन कहूछु कोन नहीं
माने पूरा कंप्लीटली माने जेंति कहंती बुकिस आंसर बुकिस माने तुम एमती न लागो कि तुम 24 घंटा बही पढतो बसी 24 घंटा कोडिंग ही करतो बसी कि बुझला तो माने आंसर एमती दियो जेमति कि यू हैव ए पैशन इन सम अदर
मल्टीपल हॉबीज पे कहि परिबा
यस मल्टीपल हॉबीज कहि परिबो कि मना कल आराम से कहि परिबो मल्टीपल हॉबीज
लिमिट टू 2
हां 2 to 3 भी कहि परिबो कि रूबिक्स क्यूब कहि परिबो कि रूबिक्स क्यूब सॉल्व करे कि पजल सॉल्व करे कि मते टाइम हां कि एमती मते हैकर रैंक रो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग करे भल लागे एमती कहि परिबो कि असुविधा नै
related to your job field will be good. Okay,
हाँ
then
related to
cooking
job
is
field ही
cooking,
रखो माने it should be job field oriented problem solving oriented हेलो
travel blogging, food blogging. It will not help you. Okay, thank you, Pragya. Beautiful questions. You have a good. Are you in first year or third year?
First year sir BSc ITM
Very good. You have a good concept. Others, please. Shall we wind up? That's enough. 1 year is enough. No need of stretching. Shall we wind up, everybody?
Okay,
Yes, sir.
No.
हाँ
Okay. So nice talking, Rohan. Hello,
Yes, sir.
Rohan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are from BC or BTech background?
Sir, I am from BCA, from Birla Global University.
Birla Global University. From where?
Yes, sir.
Is it near Bhubaneswar or somewhere?
Yes, it is Bhubaneswar, near Triple IT College.
Okay. We both live in Bhubaneswar. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
you can contact us. We will have a good discussion anytime. Okay.
even
Yes,
we can plan a group meeting in 2 months or something like that like if you all are in Bhubaneswar we can have a discussion face to face discussion also we can have in 2 months or once we can arrange
Okay. You discuss and let us know in the group. Okay.
yes
Your
and
experience in the group so that your so maximum of the students who they are waiting what is the what is that
means
you can share your experience okay in the groups sir okay whatever you have learned just 3 to 4 lines in any language sir we learned something like that it is very beautiful whatever you write so that your friends will see okay something is there in
no write
relating to
honest answer write the honest answer it really helped you
honest answer
okay and one more point I want to add in the end kid don't kill your curiosity because humans are going ahead because of curiosity okay so build that curiosity inside you okay ଏମିତି ନାଇଁ କି ଖାଲି କୋର୍ସ କରୁଛି ସେମିତି ନାଇଁ କ୍ୟୁରିଓସିଟି ଡେଭଲପ କର ଭିତରେ ହେଲା ମତେ ଏଟା ଶିଖିବାର ଅଛି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଲେଖିଛି ଏଠି ପ୍ୟାସନ ସ୍ମାର୍ଟର ଆଣ୍ଡ ଲର୍ନିଂ ପ୍ୟାସନ ମାନେ କଣ ତମର କ୍ୟୁରିଓସିଟି ୟୁ ୱାଣ୍ଟ ଟୁ ଲର୍ନ ଇଟ ମତେ ଶିଖିବାର ଅଛି ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ ଥିଙ୍ଗ ୟୁ ସୁଡ୍ ଡେଭଲପ ବୁଝିପାରିଲ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ କିଲ୍ ୟୋର କ୍ୟୁରିଓସିଟି ଅଲୱେଜ ହାଭ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ କ୍ୟୁରିଓସିଟି you will see you will improve like anything okay so that's all for today we'll
Let
share
us
this
wind up.
video
Thank you very much guys really very beautiful session thank you Srinivas sir for joining me and others
thank you
good night guys okay we will
thank you, sir,
upload
for the
tomorrow
briefing.
this video okay
you're all
you
welcome
can share to your
okay
friends we will wait for another 4 5 days we will discuss if you are in with us we will continue uh, as sir told faster means you should start fast okay you should be the advantage okay good night everybody bye bye
good night
Yes,
all of
sir.
you
Thank you so much, sir.
Good night, sir.
okay
Good night.
good night okay